pan that's been burnt and you've got some other excess at the bottom that you can't get off. Maybe it's one of those pans like I have where you can't put them in the dishwasher and you can't use a scourer. Well, I have got a top hack for you to be able to get the bottom of your pans super clean again without throwing them in the bin.
As you can see, one side clean, the other not so. You need a non-scratch scourer and some baking powder. Simply put a layer of the baking powder over and add some hot water. Then begin to scrub. If you've got stubborn marks, add a little bit more baking powder. And voila, it's clean.